Adema, a very, very quick one. From our investigations and from complaints, I went to no Foundation concerning the various arrests made by Tiger Base, the anti-kidnapping unit of the Imo State Police Command. As a foundation and a human rights organization, we have decided to take the bull by the horns. Ebe and the Tiger Base anaha achohema when you wetere her case. Any case you were got Tiger Base, you see them arresting people. You know, dina one you problem. How about Tiger Base? What can about Tiger Base? You know, a civil matter. Okwala about Tiger Base, a civil matter. Eju hongo about Tiger Base, a civil matter. I give you Tiger Base. How about they complain? As I give the this, you know, they will accept the petition. When Tiger Base is not by law allowed to look into or arbitrate in a civil matter, when Tiger Base, not just Tiger Base, the entire police force are not allowed by law or by the Police Act to arbitrate in a civil matter. And even the IG of police has continually harped on the need of police to stay away from civil matters. But unfortunately, see, we are not against police mediating for peaceful resolution. No, we are not. But we are against a particularly Tiger Base. Ibatanihe wasara civil matter. Before you know it, I say ego bell over 500,000. 300,000, 250,000, 1 million. All hide against. And because of that, we have decided as a civil and human rights organization to start taking people to court. Anybody, get now, only all Tiger Base on a civil matter. Only all Tiger Base, na gini akorono. Bola gi Tiger Base ni iji ụgwọ. Bola gi Tiger Base n'okwu ala. Bola gi Tiger Base na gini analog. Bola gi Tiger Base n'unu mere nke ame nke just on a civil, purely civil matter. Mmadụ akpọrọ gị Tiger Base. Ọ bụghị na onye akpọrọ gị Tiger Base, ma ọ kpọrọ mmadụ Tiger Base no a case of kidnapping, because that is why Tiger Base is there. That is why anti-kidnapping unit was created in the first place. So onye ọbụla akpọrọ la gị police on civil matter. Don't worry. Allow that case for us. That case, Haporania, only police, we will sue the person. We will sue him or we will sue her. Oh no, sorry, anybody, because we have seen that who register Tiger Base a threat to people. Who register Tiger Base yinde madegu. Gina madu mo shoka borogi Tiger Base. Gina madu kono shoka borogi Tiger Base. Gina madu koko ala shoka borogi Tiger Base. Who register Tiger Base yinde madegu. Onya wala borola madu Tiger Base. We will sue you. We will sue you. I can sue you. Every man here. We have other police units in the Imo State Police Command there. We have a lot of police units that handle such cases. I'm with the police units that handle cases, different cases. Tiger Base is for anti-kidnapping. Case here question we got Tiger Base who kidnapping cases, not working on one case. Onye jiugwa case, madu wana mada kanti case, madu naramada case. Or who hold case here question we got Tiger Base. But unfortunately, our people are enabling Tiger Base. Ni haleme 500,000, 1 million. Ufodu GMA business. Ufodu GMA business. How about the police? How percentage from a go bad? I am a try him there. So from today going forward, call our number. If anybody, Tiger Base, or my organization, or our human rights organization, born on Sonkwa, my number will be there. Born on Sonkwa, Onya Borogi Tiger Base, just when proof, Onya Borogi Tiger Base, then we will sue that person, and we will sue the IPOG that case. I'm telling you the truth. Enough is enough. Stop using Tiger Base to intimidate people. Stop using Tiger Base to intimidate people. Only all with the right here. Tiger Base is for anti-kidnapping and not for civil matters. onye nwere ntị ya nụrụ. Thank you.